Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a camber kit that looks like this. This is for a 2005 Honda Civic EX. It should look like this. I got it from Amazon for about 60 bucks. Alright, so first thing you do is, first thing I'm going to do is take this bolt off right here. This one. It's 11/16. So let me just get it in there. Whoops. It was on tight. So you take this bolt off. I put some WD-40 on like 30 minutes before. That's why it's coming off easily. Oh, I see. Should have taken those two bolts off first. So that's what we're gonna do next. Well, actually, first thing you should do is take this 10mm off. Right here. There. Take that off. Then I'm gonna take those two off. Alright guys, so I took the bolts off, and what I needed was a hammer to take them off because they were harder on this side. They were harder to take out, and it was kind of rusty on top, as you can see right here. This is one of the camber arms or whatever they're called. Here's the old one. As you can see, they look similar, except this one has a thinner part right here. And they gave me this hardware, which is like two little nuts and the bigger one. Pretty sure the bigger one's supposed to replace this one, and then the little one's for the ABS line, which goes right here. So I'll put that and we'll see how it fits. Okay, so when I took off the other arm, what happened is this thing fell back to me, so I had to jack it up because I couldn't lift it up and put that at the same time and the bolt at the same time. So I jacked it up with a little cheap jack, and I made it reached a little bit, so I'm gonna have to push a little, but it's way better than pushing fucking 5 feet. So now I'm gonna put this bolt in. Oh yeah, and I already put those two bolts back there. I threaded them a little bit, but not all the way. So now I have to push. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Okay, I'm gonna just set this on the floor. Okay, I got the camber arm on, and what I did to tighten this bolt was I put a wrench right here so it could hold this nut, and then I just tightened it. And then for this one, the same thing, but it was harder. So I had to use this little one, put it right there, and then it's about it. All you do really is you take off that bolt and that one and this one. Make sure you do these two first though. I messed up by doing this one first. So you take those two off and then this one, and then you could do this one last. So that's how it looks. Alright guys, so now I'm doing the other side, and I'm gonna take these two off first. They are 17mm. I messed up earlier saying it was 11/16. But here we go. Oh yeah, and I did put WD-40 on them. I had already loosened it before I started recording. Just didn't think it would be this loose. Yeah, as you can see, it started getting some residue on the bolt. I don't know what that is. But yeah, you can see the WD-40 went in there. Kind of loosened it from up top. I should put this somewhere safe. In the car probably. Alright, so that's one bolt off. Now we need the other one. How do I take this one off? I think I'm gonna take off the ABS line first before I try taking it off. Okay, now time for this bolt. Maybe if I got it from right here. There it is. Okay, so I took off the last bolt, and now here's the new one, here's the old one. And basically all this one has is the hardware that I got for this one. This one's already welded on. See, there's that one right there, and then the little one's right there. This one's gonna have it because, well, it's not welded on, but they gave it to me. So that's that. And I think I'm gonna have to bring the cheek jack over here. So let me just. I forgot to mention that you have to tighten these, I think, before you put them on. I don't know. I think I'll do it after, but make sure you tighten these before anything. I'm gonna put them. I'm gonna put these two first, and then I'm gonna jack it up, and then push it. Yeah, same thing. I don't know. Screw the other one, WD-40. Alright, there it is. Where's that cheek? Oh, there it is. It's already there. Now, I got this idea from Hybrid Garage. Shout out to them. So, get this socket. Instead of using the tool that they give you with this, it's faster to do it like this. Now, should put it the same way. This way. Need to push it a little bit. Might need 2 hands for this. There it is. Got it. So now I need to get the bolt that they gave me with the camber kit. So let me get that. Alright. And in case I forgot to mention, the size for the nut that they give you is 3/4 of an inch. Oh yeah, also I forgot to mention is that whenever you put the camber arm onto this part of your car, it's gonna look like it's like if it's too wide. But later on when you tighten it, this tightens as well, so don't worry about that. Alright, that's good. Now, gotta tighten these two over here. Those two. Alright, that one's done. Now this one. Yep, they're pretty tight now. And now, like I said earlier, for the ABS line, you're gonna need, well, what I used was a wrench and a little ratchet. So that's how this side looks. We got that new nut right here and right there. Pretty sure this would fix the problem. And here's the old one. Again, look at this, it's rusty right there. Doesn't look too bad. And they were 60 bucks each, totaled out to like 120 with tax. It was 130. You don't really need to pay anybody to put these on for you. You can do it yourself. It's just taking off 2 bolts down there, this little one and this one, and use this little cheap jack to lift up it up. So it looks like my car got a little higher, but I'm pretty sure it was lower because of the negative camber. It doesn't look cambered at all anymore. Can you look at it from the back? Doesn't look